We'll wait 40 seconds because you never know with this man. The fast German. On the angle. Wow, look at that. And I must have miscounted because this has to be the same number of strides as Ben Meer. I'm sure he did 8, but if I see Vogel do 9, and Vogel is 0.06 of a second faster at this point. With more strides potentially, more speed, and he made up even more ground, faster than Meer. There comes Vogel to the last. Richard Vogel with Cydello. What a jump off, what a jump off. In the end lost a little bit of time, but the lead is his by 0.55 of a second. Cydello and Richard Vogel have taken the lead in 36.07.